Everybody, I know, bad girl, but here I am. I'm going to make some patties again, but this time it's going to be made with quinoa. And for the egg substitute, I have 2 tablespoons of flaxseed. Okay, so let's begin. Alright, so I'm gonna grab my blender. Let's blend the flaxseed first. Now we're gonna try to blend this. So once it's blended into flour, you're just gonna grab a bowl and just put it in there. There we go. So there is the flaxseed. Now we're going to blend the quinoa. Pour it in like that. So this is 1 cup of quinoa that I have. I'm gonna make some patties for my boys, for my men, because I don't know why I say boys. They're big men. My son and my husband. And I'll blend half of it so that way it will blend more fine. If I put all of it, then I'm sure it's not going to blend properly and even. So we're going to cover that up. And in there. Alright, so far I did a good job. I'm going to uncover this up. And we have flour. Quinoa flour. And in there it will go, and I will do the rest, and I will be back. Okay, so we're done blending the quinoa and the flaxseed, so everything will go in the same bowl. Okay, all in here. We'll give it a mix. If you don't like the taste of flaxseed, you can use psyllium husk. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And we're going to add some salt. Now salt to taste. Your choice how much you want. Mix. Okie dokie. Now we're going to add some warm water. For video's sake, I'm going to measure it. Because honestly, I never measure my stuff. So I'm going to start with 1 cup of water. Now, in this part is your decision what spices you like to add, and herbs. You can put basil, you can put cilantro. I love cilantro, so I'm adding cilantro in here for sure. As you see, the dough is nice and dry still. Okay, so we're gonna add a bit of oil, coconut oil, just like a tablespoon. In the meantime, you'll be heating up your pan, and I'm going to add my chopped cilantro, roughly chopped. It's not that fine. And now we're going to use our clean hands to knead this dough a little bit, and we might need a little more water, so I'll have my water right here just in case I need more water. So we will knead this up. You can put onions, green onions or chives. There's days I feel like adding more herbs, and there's days I don't. This is just a simple one that I'm making. Okay, so I'm gonna add maybe 1 tablespoon more of water. It just needs a little touch more. Doesn't really need that much water. 1 cup of water was enough. Just a little more. There we go. It feels much better. So this, we will form them into balls. And since I do have my water, I can wet my hands and it will be more easy for me. It won't stick on my hands. Okay, so I quickly rinse my hands, and now I'm going to grab just a small ball. Now, if you like, you can taste it. Don't forget to wet your hands. I forgot to wet my hands. Okay, wet your hands really well, and then see how wet my hand is. Now wet the other hand, and now you're going to do is just shape it. Okay, see my hands are nice and wet. See how it doesn't stick? So just shape it like a nice hamburger size or a patty, whatever size you wish. And there we go. It's all ready. So now this is going to go straight to the pan. Right there. Let's grab another one. Grab another ball. and wet my hand, and we will just shape it. Just kind of slap it back and forth, turning your hand around and around, and then just shape the edges, and that's it. Okay, so right straight to the pan it will go, right there. Sorry, I'm trying to do with one hand and it's difficult. Alright, so wet the other hand, kind of make it a bit more bigger. And then flatten and turn your hand back like so, and it will shape up. So we're gonna this delicious quinoa patties. All right, so in the pan it goes. There we go, delicious patties. So I will finish this up. Okay, so it's frying beautifully and it's smelling fabulous. It smells so good. Once you see it's nice and golden one side, so it's time to turn. Now I know it's too much oil, so what I do is kind of tilt the pan so the oil goes down the other way, and then I just kind of turn it like so, and there we go. It does not jump. The oil will not jump on you if you do that. Same thing, I tilt it down so that way when I turn it the oil will not jump. This one will need a little bit more since I put it last. I'm gonna fry this nicely until both sides are nice and golden. All right, so this one is more thinner and this one is more thicker. So this one is ready. Let's not forget that not all of them are the same size. So this one is almost done. So the other one I will put it on a plate. Just put it on your plate, let it drip whatever excess oil, tilt it a little bit, and put it on your plate. Or you can put a paper towel and put it on top of the paper towel. So I'll be back when I'm done. Well, my friends, here is the results, and I hope you try it out. It's very tasty, very yummy. Another way to eat a burger, the healthy way, but of course we don't eat it as a burger. We just eat it just like that without bread or anything. And well, not me, my family, because I cook for them separate and I cook for me separate. Yes, when you're in a diet and you've been overweight all your life, there's some consequences that you have to deal with in the future, and this is one of them, that you have to cook separate. Well, my friends, I hope you try this out. Comment below, thumbs up, share the video, and hope to see you again on the next video. Hopefully sooner. I won't make promises, but I will try my best. It's just so difficult. Sometimes you have to do many things and time flies so fast. Especially the New Year's. I noticed this New Year's is flying more faster. Anyways, my friends, thank you so much for your patience and your support, and hope to see you again in the next video. God bless. Bye.